everyone, and welcome back to our series where we're talking about really amazing women in science. So today we're going to be talking about Maria Kirch, who was an astronomer. So what is an astronomer? Well, it's a type of scientist that studies space, and we're going to be learning about all the amazing things Maria did as an astronomer. And then you guys at home are going to be going on your own scavenger hunts in space. In 1702, Maria Kirch became the first woman to discover a comet. So a comet is kind of like a space snowball. So it's filled with gas and dust and rocks, and it travels around space, and when it reaches the sun, it warms up, releases some of that gas and dust, and moves around the sky. So she was the first woman to discover the comet. However, even though she discovered it, her husband was credited with the find. So that means even though she was the one who discovered the comet, it was told that her husband discovered it, so she didn't get any of the credit. Maria worked closely with her husband, who was also an astronomer and worked for the King of Germany. Together, they worked as a good team and made many observations and calculations and produced detailed drawings of the sky. In her youth, she was well educated, and later in life, she published observations on the northern lights and wrote papers about the sun and other planets. Despite her clear talent and ability, after her husband's death, Maria struggled to find recognition for her skill. She persevered by asking for a position as an assistant astronomer, yet the local scientific community refused her request and rejected her. They were not ready to let her and other female scientists enter the male-dominated realm of astrology, despite her background. So, unfortunately for Maria, even though she was very qualified and spent her life studying the sky, she was not allowed to work as an astronomer because the other males in her field didn't think she was qualified, even though she was more qualified than them. So here is a picture of a comet, and Maria was the first woman to ever discover this. So even though Maria didn't get recognition for her work until much later, we're going to remember all the amazing things she's discovered while we're doing our activity today. So attached in this newsletter is a worksheet that you guys can print off at home, and it looks like this. And this is what you guys are going to be using for your scavenger hunt. So you're going to be doing a scavenger hunt for constellations. So a constellation is a pattern of stars in the sky. So this week at night, you guys can go outside when it's dark with your parents, maybe on a weekend, and you're going to look up in the sky and see if you can find the patterns that are on this worksheet. So on this worksheet, there are 4 constellations for you to find: the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, Ursa Major, and Orion. So as you can see, the worksheet for each constellation has some dots and some lines connecting them. So each dot is a star that you'll be able to see. So when you bring this outside, you can look at the picture, and if you look up in the sky, it might take a while, so you can ask your friends or your family to help you. You'll be able to find stars that are in this exact pattern. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you have lots of fun being astronomers this week. So I'll see you next time. Bye!